Hi, I'm Daisy Sism, and I'm your independent consultant for Usborne Books and more. And today I will be showing you a couple of books to help you and your child get interactive with reading. The Pull Back Busy Train book is great for little children who love to watch the train as it whizzes around the tracks in this delightful interactive book. Colorful scenes with embedded tracks provide lots to see and talk about as the train begins its busy morning at the station, zooming through the tunnels, into the countryside, and before reaching its destination. It's a wonderful gift to be shared together again and again, and it's perfect for young train lovers. In the Wind Up Race Car book, you can wind up cars and watch them zoom around the tracks in this exciting interactive book. You can race the cars against each other on 3 different tracks.
So these are the books that I wanted to show about for my launch party, because these are amazing books that will really engage my children into wanting to read and get more into a book. If you want to purchase from me, my link will be in the description below, and I will see you guys next time.